Global Reset 2026. Crypto, AI, gold, and the collapse nobody is talking about. Who really runs the world now? Let's zoom out. Let me be very clear from the start. If you think what's happening right now is just another market cycle, you are already behind. This isn't volatility. This isn't a bull run. This isn't fear-mongering. This is a global financial reset happening in slow motion. And most people are too distracted by ICE headlines, civil disorder, politics, and daily price candles to see it. Here comes the dollar problem. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. The US dollar is quietly losing dominance, not collapsing tomorrow, but being worked around. We're seeing a bearish outlook on the US dollar, China leading cross-border digital currency platforms, countries launching stablecoins and alternative settlement rails, Iran's currency literally becoming worth zero. This is what de-risking looks like. Nations aren't abandoning the dollar out of rebellion. They're doing it out of self-preservation. And when trust in currency weakens, capital doesn't disappear. It moves. Gold, silver, and Bitcoin. This is why gold is being projected towards $7,000. This is why silver is pushing extreme levels. And this is why Bitcoin keeps ripping, even during chaos. Bitcoin and gold together are now outperforming traditional portfolios. Ray Dalio's 15% hedge thesis? It's not theory anymore. It's data-backed reality. Here's the truth most people won't say out loud. Gold pumps when governments lie. Bitcoin pumps when people stop believing them. Bitcoin versus Ethereum. Now let's clear up a massive misconception. Bitcoin and Ethereum are not competing. Bitcoin is becoming digital sovereign collateral, treasury reserve asset, institutional hedge. That's why BlackRock is moving hundreds of millions. That's why Michael Saylor dropped $1.25 billion on Bitcoin. Ethereum, on the other hand, Standard Chartered just said 2026 will be the year of Ethereum. Why? Because Ethereum is becoming financial infrastructure, tokenization, settlement, zero-knowledge compliance, smart contracts for banks and governments. Bitcoin is the asset. Ethereum is the system. Both win. Stablecoins, XRP, and boring wealth. Now here's where smart money gets boring and rich. Stablecoins, payments, XRP, custody, Rakuten buying shares in Circle, Visa powering stablecoin payouts, banks rolling out crypto rails quietly. This isn't hype. This is plumbing. And the biggest fortunes in history were built owning infrastructure, not chasing trends. Retail ignores boring. Institutions obsess over it. AI is energy. Let's talk about AI. Because most people don't get this at all. AI does not just run on code. See the big picture. It runs on electricity, chips, data centers, cooling, power grids. And if you've been following me already, you know the blueprint. That's why energy stocks are beating big tech. Australia is becoming a data center hotspot. TSMC is raising its 2026 spending outlook. And yes, Elon Musk's XAI data center was caught generating electricity illegally. When companies start breaking energy rules, you're not late. You're still early. The real AI trade isn't just NVIDIA. It's everything AI depends on to exist. Power fragmenting. Governments are scrambling. Regulators are confused. Bills stall. Clarity Act was delayed due to Coinbase withdrawing its support, citing concerns over privacy and market implications. Trust erodes. The market reacts. Meanwhile, crypto adoption still grows. AI accelerates. Capital globalizes. Institutions hedge. Citizens look for exits. Even Davos is changing. New leadership, new priorities. Hello, Larry Fink, BlackRock's chief executive, appointed as interim co-chair of World Economic Forum. Power isn't disappearing, it's fragmenting. This is not about getting rich quick. This is about positioning yourself correctly while the system resets. Because the biggest risk in 2026 isn't volatility, it's standing still while everything else moves. Watch the big companies with deep pockets. I'm investing my dollars when they invest their millions. We all win eventually. If you're paying attention, you're still early for now. Visit CryptocurrenX.net for a more thorough analysis of this content under the Modern Man's Ledger section. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if this made you curious, good. Do your own research and invest wisely. Peace.